sits beneath the shining lights, years of practice in his hands tonight. Every note a piece of soul, every chord a story told.
He breathes in calm, he breathes out grace. Music rises through the space, a lifetime shaped by steady fire. And now he plays what hearts admire. Let the music fill the air, every moment crafted with care.
He shares the gift he worked to own, lighting hearts with every tone. Crowds lean in with quiet awe, feeling every rise and fall.
What once was practice in the dark now becomes a work of art.
All his effort, all his pain, turn to beauty